Hello and welcome to the App Inventor course. In this course, you will learn how to make apps. What I need you to do is to go to your web browser and type MIT App Inventor and hit search, and that will bring up the course name. Um, it is called MIT or appinventor.mit.edu. It's also easy to find it by just typing in MIT App Inventor into the browser, and that comes up. Okay, so when you're here, you want to go ahead and click on the Create Apps button, and that will bring you to a Google sign-in page. You'll need to have a Google or Gmail account to access the courses, okay? And then you just go ahead and sign in. And once you've signed in, it's going to take you to the project page. Here, if you go to projects, if that page disappeared like mine just did, make sure you click on projects and go to start new projects, or you can just click on right here where it says start new project. So today we're going to make a app that talks to you. We'll call it talking app. And as I go through this video, you can always pause it and rewind it so that you can always review information that I have shared with you if you get lost. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here to our palette page and locate the button object, drag that to the screen, okay? And if you look over here to where it says properties, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go ahead and change that from text for button 1 to talk to me. So you locate the text button here and you type talk to me. Okay? And as you do that, you will notice that it has changed the text for this button. Okay? So the next thing we want to do is, now that we have our user interface designed, we're going to go over here to the blocks button, and it's going to take us to the section where we actually start to write the code. So to interact with the block button, you notice we're going to go over to the blocks section and go to where it says screen 1 and locate button 1. And I'm going to drag that over here. Okay? Now the next thing I want to do, I want to go, oh, I'm sorry, we need to go back to the designer page. Let's go back to the designer page. And we're going to scroll down to the media section. Okay? And locate the text to speech. And we're going to drag that to the screen also. And I want you to notice that it placed a non-visible component on the screen. Okay, so that lets you know that it's there, you just can't see it. Like you can see the text, the button here. So let's navigate over to the blocks section. Click on the text to speech 1. And we're going to grab this right here. Call text to speech. Place that there. You hear that little click sound. That means it's fitting appropriately there. Okay, now the next thing we want to do is click on the text button there and drag the first object to the screen. And I'm going to type in hello. So what this does, whatever you type into the screen, it will go ahead and say that, okay, on the phone. So as I shared with you before, we're going to go ahead and drag this over to the screen. We're doing this so that we can see our phone here. Okay, now in order for this to work, you must first click your start button and locate the AI starter. And I have Windows 8, so it's going to look a little different for you. But you're going to go down to where it says MIT App Inventor, click on the AI starter. And when you do that, you're going to see this window pop up. Okay. Now, the next thing I need you to do is to go over to Connect, select Emulator, and it's going to go ahead and start your phone. And you see here it takes a little time, so let's be patient with it. And it's starting. And once it starts, it's going to actually show you the program. There it is. You see the button there, it says talk to me. Now, as I click on it,
Hello.
did you hear what it said? It said hello. So whatever I type into this box, whenever I hit the talk to me button,
Hello.
it will go ahead and do that. I guess I need to go back over here and adjust this so that it says,
You are awesome.
there it is. You see that? So once you type that there, make sure that you don't have that yellow highlight around the box. Click into the white section here and it will update your app. So let's try that one more time. So Robert, you are cool. I'm going to click in the white space.
Robert, you are cool.
There you are. So that's our first app. Okay. So I need you to go ahead and save that and send it to me. And the way that we do that, let me go ahead and maximize this. You're going to go to projects, you're going to hit save project. Okay. The other thing you need to do is go to where it says export selected project. Okay. And you see how it downloads it there at the bottom of the screen. Once it's done, I need you to click on the arrow here and go to where it says show in the folder. You're going to locate that app, and I want you to go ahead and hit copy. And now I need you to click on the documents folder, and I need you, if you haven't already done this, to create a new document. I'm sorry, a new folder. There's several ways you can do that. One way you can do that is to just right click the space there. You see where it says new and click on new folder. Or sometimes, I believe in your version of it, you're going to have a actual option. And here I click home and you click on new folder and it will bring up a new folder. You're going to type your name and then I need you to go ahead and paste that app. Then you can go ahead and navigate to Schoology. So I'm going to log into Schoology here. And then you will go ahead and submit that app to me. Okay, so once you're in your course, make sure I select the right course here. You will see an assignment here. You're going to click on that assignment, and over here you see a button that says submit, and you will submit that to me. Okay? All right, and so the assignment will be called Talking App 1. So we have successfully made our first app. So let's go ahead and modify this app. Okay, I want to modify it so as I type we're going to have a text box, and whatever I type into the app, it will speak to me. So let's go ahead and modify that. What we need to do is go ahead and click on Designer, go back to the User Interface tab, locate the text box. We're going to drag that over to the screen up top here. Okay, and there it is, called text box 1. Now, let's go back to the blocks section. I'm going to take this off. We're going to click on text box 1, navigate to where it says, let me scroll down. Text box 1 text. And if I can grab this and place it here. Now I'm going to go back to my app. I'm going to click on Connect and hit Reset Connection. Sometimes you have to do that. Over here.